How to play Xbox Game Pass on a PC with PS5 controller. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Xbox Game Pass games on your PC using a PS5 controller. Whether you're using a cable or Bluetooth, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the PS5 controller. Option A. Wired USB-C. First, grab a USB-C cable. Plug one end into your PS5 controller and the other into your PC. Windows will organize it automatically. No extra drivers needed. Option B. Wireless. To connect via Bluetooth, hold the PS button and then Create button on the controller until the light bar starts flashing. On your PC, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. Add device, select Bluetooth and choose Wireless Controller from the list. Step 2. Open Xbox Game Pass and launch a game. Now, open the Xbox app on your PC. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Microsoft Store. Sign in with your Microsoft account, install a game from the Game Pass library, and hit play. Step 3. Configure the controller if needed. Most games will organize your PS5 controller right away, but if something doesn't work, you can use DS for Windows. It tricks your PC into thinking your PS5 controller is an Xbox controller. Download DS for Windows, run the setup, and follow the instructions to enable Xbox style input. Tips and final adjustment. Some games may show Xbox button icons even if you're using the PS5 controller. Just remember. For better performance and lower input lag, I recommend use a wired connection when possible. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Xbox Game Pass games on your PC using a PS5 controller. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.